16, Real Monkey 18, and
Sebastian 271.
2 7. Plus, your echo is the only way they can hear my voice. So.
Okay. So, pretty much.
Wait, what? Okay, that's good. Okay, so basically, why we do glitches? It's just for fun, and people can see them, and I don't think Left 2 glitches are gonna be patched anymore, because I think Valve is working on Left 3, so, yeah. Anyway, we just do this for fun, really. And YouTube. Oh yeah, Ty, do you have anything to say?
Once you don't play it for a long time, you need to start learning how. Else you're gonna really suck at it.
Anyway, we do hope that 2 videos to put on YouTube so people can learn more about them. And hopefully they don't get patched. The only reason we show, unless it's totally gonna get patched, even though no one posts it on YouTube or not, we're just gonna post it anyway if it's like that. Like the duplication glitch in Minecraft, it got patched. Every duplication glitch got patched. So because now there's a 1.0 update already, it passed, and now this is after 1.0 update. It's just for anyone who has Minecraft.
Oh, I don't have Minecraft. But
Okay, come back. Anyways, probably that time. Why do you like glitches?
because when I'm bored, I mean, kind of fun.
Yeah,
What?
because it's like exciting. It could be cool. It could be out of the net, and you can experience stuff, and it's really awesome. And sometimes there are Easter eggs.
What do you think about Black Ops?
Black Ops. I think it's a great game. Especially you can get up and get a computer. They just spoil it. Actually, why am I talking about that anymore? Black Ops 2 is out. Anyway, if you didn't check out yet, you can check out at the end of this video behind the scenes with Real Monkey, which is me, and Monkey, which is another friend. His voice changed, so his voice got deeper, so yeah, his voice got deeper, so he's gonna sound different. And all the videos will probably recorded in the summer to November, except for this one. This one is recorded in December. So yeah. Okay. Why do you think we do glitches?
Wait, is it
Ryan, why do you think we do glitches?
boring?
Yeah.
It's like I do glitches because you get like in survival on Left 4 Dead. You use the grenade launcher to shoot someone out of the map. Pretty much. And pretty cool because
and also here you are. When I did my first glitch ever, I just felt like doing more of them, and this was on my Wii. And hopefully, when I got my Xbox and Xbox Live last year, and I got Xbox Live, and also, I just noticed. I just noticed glitches got patched, but thank goodness you found a way around them, but I can't find all the games around them.